Hello folks, we are back with the next video for this problem number 6. So problem number 6 you can't call it, it is very technical, this problem. So it's there on the board. It says that you have to find the integral of 1 minus x squared over x times 1 minus 2x dx. So you have to find the integral like this. If you carefully note the terms here, the numerator is a quadratic and the denominator is also quadratic. Though they are factored, but it is a quadratic. So in all the cases in integration, suppose if you have the numerator and denominator as maybe equal powers or even higher power. If the numerator is a higher power, denominator is a lower power, then it's always better to go in for a division and then work out. So that way it works a little more simpler. So we are going to do the same thing because the numerator and denominator both are quadratics. We will divide it and we will try to that way reduce the term and then uh, maybe partial fractions also we will try to get it done. So right away, let's see what quadratic is this here. We have this x times 1 minus 2x. Let's find this to be x minus 2x squared. So that's it. So as I told you, let's divide and find out also. Let's divide 1 minus x squared with this x minus 2x squared. So that way, let's get it be written little properly so that so therefore yeah, maybe I'll write it once again that as minus x squared plus 1 and minus 2x squared plus x. So that way when we take the first term, it's going to be minus x squared over minus 2x squared. So the negatives will cancel each other. You're left with half because the x squared also will cancel. So your quotient will be having half. And the factor down that you will write is going to be this. So when you open this up, it's minus x squared plus x over 2. So minus x squared plus x over 2. So let's change the sign. This will become plus because we are subtracting. So this is plus and this is minus. So this will cancel each other. And we have got 1 minus x over 2, or rather minus x over 2 plus 1. So when we write, we have always learned that dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let's use that. Uh, Therefore, 1 minus x squared over x times 1 minus 2x or anything you can write is actually we are using this dividend equal to divisor into quotient times remainder. So divisor for us is this and quotient is this. So it's half times negative 2x squared plus x, that is the denominator itself, um, plus the remainder which is minus x over 2 plus 1 over all this x times 1 minus 2x. So when we split it, it is half times. This is the divisor is the remainder itself, I mean the denominator itself. That's it. So here this can cancel each other and we are just left with the half. And then we have this minus x over 2 plus 1 over x times 1 minus 2x. Now this part, this is easy. When we take the integral, that you get easily, but this is not so easy because here we have two leaders in the denominator which we got from partial fractions. So let's consider this. Consider negative x over 2 plus 1 over x times 1 minus 2x. We know that when you have two linears, we will write it as a over x plus b over 1 minus 2x. Whenever we have two linears, we will always put a. So when we equalize, we want the same denominator here. So this entire term has to be multiplied by 1 minus 2x and this entire term has to be multiplied by x. So you are getting a times 1 minus 2x and b times x. Also you will have x times 1 minus 2x here because that's a common denominator, and here it is minus x over 2 negative x over 2 plus 1 time over x minus x times 1 minus 2x. So both the denominators, they will cancel each other and therefore you are left with the expression a times 1 minus 2x plus bx becoming equal to minus x over 2 plus 1. Now here, as we did before, we will just substitute some values so as to get the answers of A and B. So first let's take x as half. If we take x as half, then this term will vanish and we will have b times half, because x is half, and this is half over 2. So half divided by 2 multiplied by the reciprocal, it will become negative 1 over 4 plus 1. Now it's very clear to us by common sense that 1 minus 1 over 4 is 3 over 4. Otherwise you can take it as a fraction times 4 and do it. It will be negative 3 over 4. And here it is b over 2 actually. So let the 2 go on the other side. It will become minus 3 over 4 into 2, that is negative 3 over 2. So b value is negative 3 over 2. Now in order to get the a value, let's take the value, let's take x as 0. If x is 0, then it is a over here and b is gone because it's 0. Even this x is gone. We have got a as ready-made 1, I think. Yeah, you get a as 1. Now let's go back to I. Once you get a and b, then I is very easy. So let's go back to I, which is this. So I is not this, it is, you have to take from here. So I is going to be half dx first term. Second term, a, that is 1 over x dx. And then b, which is negative 3 over 2. So this is going to be x over 2, because half will go out and integral of dx is x, and here is log modulus x, and this is the 3 over 2 can come out, and you will get this as log modulus 1 minus 2x, but there is that integral coefficient of negative 2. So therefore it can become negative 3 or rather positive 3 over 4. So if you want, you can reframe it x over 2 plus log modulus x plus 3 over 4 log modulus 1 minus 2x plus c. So many things. It's positive 3 over 4, yeah? So that negative you have to account for. So that's about this, because it's a voluminous problem. We first started with the division, then we tried to split it, then we applied partial fraction, and then did the integral. So this is how the integral comes. With the next problem, maybe we can meet in the next video. Thank you.